Gautam, yes. Welcome to this August panel of interviewers.
Thank you, sir.
Here for the IES examination, Indian Engineering Service. Gautam,
Thank
before we
you, sir.
start the procedure here, we just practice also that
Okay.
you introduce yourself very briefly. Who is Gautam Aggarwal?
Sir, basically, Aggarwal, and I have in civil.
God.
I am from.
Gautam, there is some problem with your
There is problem. Voice.
problem. Gautam, some internet problem. Gautam. Internet.
Am I audible now?
Now here is
Now,
the rook. It's cutting. Your voice is cutting.
Okay, so I can see you.
Yeah, but your voice, I can see you, but voice. Just check your internet audio. Check your audio.
Your voice is not clear, Gautam.
Okay. 1 second. Sir, now it is clear.
Now it is clear. Yes.
yeah.
Yes. Go ahead, please.
Yes, sir. My name is Gautam Aggarwal. I belong from Gurgaon, and I have done BTech in civil engineering from NIT Kurukshetra. And also, I am in my 4th semester of MTech. I am doing environmental engineering from IIT Roorkee, and also I have selected an IOCL.
Gautam, since you are already joined, I suppose IOC, Indian Oil Corporation, the largest, the petroleum refining company in India, is a government company, the largest
Yes,
one,
sir.
one of the largest in the world also. Now, the first temptation, of course, of anybody will be knowing about talking of the energy security. You are in, now, what is the India's, how much India produces fossil fuel, basically oil and gas, and how much India has to depend on the outside countries as an import for ensuring their energy security. So first is how much India is producing internally through their various companies, oil and gas, and how much they have to import to ensure that the India is secure in terms of energy. And both, of course, the traditional fossil fuel energy, and secondly, also non-conventional energy, which obviously India is producing a little bit particular. But if you have that figure, but basically you will see about the fossil fuel generation, how much is generated, how much India has to import.
Sir, if I talk about the LPG, liquefied petroleum gas.
No, I'm talking about oil and gas, not liquefied petrol. I'm talking about oil and gas. Oil, crude oil, how much India has to our generating internally, India's own resources, and how much India has to import from outside. Not
sir,
LPG. LPG is only one part of it, the energy mix.
Sir, I don't know the exact figure. How much is oil in
approximately percentage? Approximately.
Sir, I think around around half, 40 to 50%, 30 to 40% of them is produced by India only by the company ONGC, oil and natural gas, and the rest it is being imported. I think that is the number, but I'm not sure about it.
No, yeah, you're not absolutely. You're totally off the mark. India produces much less than 40%, 50%, as you say. India maybe not even 25, 30%. There are around 70% India's energy needs are imported from outside. Now, so you'll have to, because you are from IOC, obviously the first question people will start asking you. Now, if you are not comfortable about the energy question, because energy questions come one fast. Anybody is starting with this energy question, energy mix, traditional versus non-traditional, non-conventional versus conventional, like that. Okay, and something to do with IOC, people will definitely ask how many refineries and what are the downstream issues IOC. Also into a lot of non-conventional energy initiatives. What are those initiatives you have to, since you already joined that company? Now, let us now talk, not go into that, but you are in an MTech, you are pursuing MTech in environmental engineering.
Yes,
you are
sir.
also from Gurgaon. What are the main environmental challenges? Now, Gurgaon is part of the NCR region, National
Yes,
Capital Region. Now, please tell that what are the main environmental challenges in NCR region, not only Delhi or Gurgaon, NCR region. First of all, you must
Sir.
know which other cities and states included in NCR region, and then say what are the environmental challenges, and as a planner now, what will be a solution?
Sir, NCR includes all the regions around Delhi, like Faridabad, Gurgaon, and Noida. Alwar is also a part of NCR in Rajasthan. So I think these and Bharatpur in Rajasthan is also part of NCR. I didn't know that, but I recently came to know that. And the challenges that NCR face most, biggest challenge is that the air pollution in the area near Delhi, Gurgaon, Faridabad is very, very severe. The air quality index tends to around 400, 350, 450. And apart from that, in Gurgaon, there's a lot of problem of water, wastewater accumulation, and there's no proper drainage system also in Gurgaon. So recently, STPs, percentage of STPs have to be also increased. That norm have started that around the recycling of STPs from usage of effluent of STP is also very, very minimum. It has to be increased also. So I think pollution, air pollution, and also the way the inefficiency of the drainage system is, I think, biggest concern in Gurgaon and Delhi.
What are your long-term solutions proposed? You are a policy planner. You are in charge of NCR region. Head of the NCR region, think yourself as what will be your solutions as an engineering solution, basically, even otherwise non-engineering.
Sir, laying of proper pipelines from STP so that recycling of STP can be done, and the final product of STP can be used in different areas like irrigation and in like parks and other public water uses. That is from water point of view, that is the solution that can be done. And from from air point of view, the stubble farming, which is very, very prevalent in Delhi, it should, and near areas like Punjab, it should be decreased. I think that is one of two.
How do you reduce the stubble burning? How do we area? Delhi doesn't have any arable land, so obviously no stubble burning in Delhi. But areas around Delhi, yes. But how do you propose to reduce the stubble burning or eliminate the stubble burning? As you say, it's the main cause.
Sir, I think the burning, if we can reduce the burning somehow, and if we can find alternative to that, I don't know the correct alternative right now, but I'll see that if we can compost it instead of burning it, but it will take time.
Anyway, yes, you have attempted nicely. Thank you very much, Dr. Bhattacharya.
Yeah. So, Gautam,
Yes, sir.
are you audible? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Gautam, you tell
Yes,
me,
sir. Yes, sir.
we go on talking about the sustainable development, greenhouse, green building concept and all. What is that concept?
So green building is a concept in which we try to build the buildings with the help of wastage and try to minimize the effect that it will be having on the environment. Using some, we can save electricity. We can curb the use of artificials, ACs, and all that thing that we can make the house more safe to environment by using these products. Like we can use
Basic aim is to reduce the consumption of एनर्जी.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, artificial energy जो है. अच्छा, there are methods whereby rating is done. Are you aware of that?
Sir, yes, I have heard about that a little bit.
What is that?
Sir,
Basically, two types of rating is there. बताओ पहले.
sir, there's a lead rating system and
Yeah. लीड का
LED.
फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
um,
LED नहीं है. बताओ.
LEED.
हाँ.
Sir, full form, it was leadership in energy and environmental design. Leadership in energy and environmental design. That is the full form of it.
Okay. तो उसमें क्या करता है? What they do?
Sir, basically उसमें ratings होती है, level होते हैं. I think 4 or 5 levels are there. उसके हिसाब से we put that in that category that कौन से level.
क्या what are the things they considered in that?
So how much energy is being consumed and
Also you are telling just off the cuff.
yes, sir.
They have got the rating system based on how you are designing, how you are constructing, how you are doing operation and maintenance. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
And which country has developed this lead?
Sir, US.
US, correct. Now another rating system is there, India based. What is that?
Sir, Griha.
Yeah. And Griha mein what are the things, criterion they have included?
Sir, I don't know.
आप MTech आए, MTech final year. It should be in your fingertips. 34 criterion है: site selection, site planning, conservation, efficient utilization of resource, building operation, maintenance, and then how you are doing innovations. उसमें rating कैसा देता है? How they rate?
Sir, वो कुछ 100 points होते हैं, उसमें से points we give points like building के होते हैं.
No, then rating क्या? मतलब they gives ultimately rating.
Sir,
1
points.
star to 5 star. It is 1 star to 5 star.
Okay.
Rating. Okay. वो थोड़ा पढ़ लेना because this is important as far as you are concerned.
Okay, sir.
What is greenhouse gases? Major greenhouse gases.
So methane.
Methane, ठीक है.
Nitrogen dioxides and
Yes. Nitrogen oxide.
nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxides.
Carbon monoxide. And then
Yes, sir.
carbon dioxide is also there.
So ozone, water vapor, methane.
छोड़ दो. Last question.
Yes, sir.
What is the? Have you heard the word rehabilitation, retrofitting? These two words.
Yes, sir. Yes, I have heard it.
Now, what is that?
So retrofitting is the design of earthquake-resistant structures. Retrofitting.
अच्छा. और rehabilitation?
Rehabilitation is sir, if
you have not heard this word. Rehabilitation means something has gone bad. I want to rehabilitate it only a strength. Retrofitting means I want to give extra strength. Why? Maybe I have constructed building or structure as for old older provision. Now I want to upgrade. Now I want to 12-story building to make 14-story. I have to upgrade. Okay?
yes.
Okay. On the whole, you have done okay. Good. Over to ma'am.
Hi Gautam, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay. So how many times in a day do you smile? Let me ask you.
$1 million question.
2 or 3 times, I don't know.
You don't know. So be a little more mindful towards it that, you know, when a person smiles or is pleasant, it adds to the face value and it adds to the personality of the person, right? It's
Yes,
so
ma'am.
important. So why you are so tense or, you know, nervous, or it gives, the moment you do not smile, you are like frowning. It makes, you know, oh, okay, this man has little closed personality. So this is very important for you to relax a bit. Okay. Now, let me ask you, have you heard this word DGH?
DGH?
Hmm?
No, I haven't heard of it.
तो डायरेक्टर जनरल तो मैं बता देती हूँ, लेकिन आगे का H क्या होगा?
DGH.
आप IOC में सेलेक्ट हुए हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो DGH से तो वास्ता पड़ेगा आपका, डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन्स है वो।
अच्छा,
DGH इज, हाँ, तो उनका कोई वास्ता पड़ेगा IOC से या इसी प्रकार के किसी भी एक्सप्लोरेशन कंपनीज वगैरह से?
हाइड्रोकार्बन्स का भी मैम है एक इनका IOCL वालों का प्रोडक्ट्स, दे लाइक मैन्युफैक्चर इट, बट मुझे इसके बारे में अभी इतना आइडिया नहीं, अभी न्यूली ज्वाइन किया है मैंने ट्रेनिंग, तो
थोड़ा अपना उससे रिलेटेड जीके बढ़ाइए। Interestingly, I found you to be, you know, a music lover, a tennis player, along
Yes,
with
ma'am.
your good studies and rankings and all those things. कौन सा म्यूजिक पसंद है आपको?
मैम आई लाइक ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ म्यूजिक, बेसिकली ज़्यादा मतलब वैरायटी ज़्यादा, रेंज ज़्यादा है। आई ऑल्सो लिसन टू ऑल सॉन्ग्स एंड इंग्लिश सॉन्ग्स ऑल्सो। सो
अच्छा, ओल्ड सॉन्ग्स कौन से? रेट्रो, इंडियन?
इंडियन, यस मैम।
मूवी वाले?
हाँ, मूवी वाले एंड इंग्लिश।
चलो
जो
एक पसंद के गाने का मुखड़ा बताओ जरा, वर्ड्स बताओ कोई एक पसंद के गाने का। गाना नहीं है, वर्ड्स तो बताओ यार।
अच्छा मैम, ट्राई करता हूँ। मैम एक गाना है जिंदगी के सफर में, सॉन्ग है किशोर कुमार का, वो थोड़ा सही लगता है मुझे।
गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम
हाँ,
वो फिर नहीं आते।
हाँ वो वाला थोड़ा
हाँ?
वो, हाँ
ऐसा कौन सा मकाम गुजर गया छोटे से, वो भी 22 साल के? हाँ इतना अरे क्या प्रेम में धोखा वोखा खा लिए क्या अभी से? नहीं, on a lighter note I asked you. Now a very interesting other thing which I see, my interests are also in music, tennis. I love tennis as a play, as a game. Okay, so who is your all-time favorite, male and female both? You will have to tell.
Ma'am, male Roger Federer.
Hmm?
And female, ma'am, I don't watch female tennis as much, but
गलत बात है, you are very biased.
मैम मजा उसमें आता है, मेल टेनिस में आता है वैसे।
अरे नहीं, आपने नहीं देखा है। अगर आपने
भैया
नहीं
देखा
देखा
नहीं
है
है
तो
तो फिर
go
तो पता
for
चलेगा।
क्लासिक्स में जाइए, आप क्लासिक्स में जाइए, आप
Steffi Graf,
Serena Williams, Martina Navratilova, you just go and check them.
tennis.
And you know it, you would love Venus Williams और Serena Williams को आपस में खेलते देख लीजिए।
मैम देखा हुआ है।
How lovely, beautiful they are and what powerful strokes they have. Don't tell this thing कि आपको फीमेल नहीं पसंद नहीं है, that's okay, that's your choice. But you know, good games are there, ऐसा मत बोलो। और मेरे को तो लगता है कि I am a big fan of both Steffi and Martina Navratilova. What powerful lady she is. क्या 42-43 साल तक खेली है, दम है तो दिखाओ उस चीज को करके, you know, and
Yes,
I'm
ma'am,
so happy to see that. But nonetheless, आपने अभी रोजर फेडरर का नाम लिया, उनका फोर्टे क्या है ये बताइए।
वो उनका स्ट्रेंथ्स,
कौन से कोर्ट में खेलना ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं, कहाँ पर वो ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल है?
मैम विंबलडन में, ग्रास कोर्ट में।
ग्रास कोर्ट में ज्यादा है। ओके, और ग्रास और क्ले कोर्ट में क्या फर्क होता है?
मैम क्ले कोर्ट पे वो जो बॉल होती है it bounces a little more और थोड़ी स्पीड स्लो होती है, and in grass courts are very fast and थोड़ा skid करती है, तो उसका जो गेम है
स्किट करती है, स्पिन करती है, क्या करती है?
स्केट करती है, थोड़ा स्पिन नहीं करती, थोड़ा
Okay.
स्पीड और तेज होती है ग्रास कोर्ट्स में। तो उसका
हम्म।
जो फेडरर का गेम है, उनका गेम सूट करता है बिकॉज सर्विंग सर्व एंड वॉली करते हैं वो, बट
ठीक है।
क्ले पे ही कांट बीट नडाल, दैट्स व्हाई दैट्स अ
Okay, but this is a good game. You should keep on pursuing that till your health and fitness allows it.
Yeah, I
because
used
it's
to
one
play
of the
in that.
best game.
I used to play in my like college, but I have stopped it because of job and all.
आई जॉब से क्या थोड़ी कोई खत्म कर देता है चीजें, जिंदगी जीना भूल जाते, तभी तो ये गाना याद आ रहा है, जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकान, इसलिए सोच रहा है उस गाने को। Live the life full, enjoy it. Okay, now I'm going to show you one object and tell me how all and where all can you use it. Okay.
Okay, yes ma'am.
Yeah, so this is a small object. If you can see it well, tell me.
Ma'am, it can be used in cutting anything like sheet of paper.
Done. आगे आगे बढ़ो। ऐसे मत कहो कि कपड़ा काटने के लिए, कागज काटने के लिए, ऐसे मत बोलना, उसका अलग यूज देन द कटिंग।
अलग यूज तो मैम कुछ नहीं है, बस काटने के लिए काम आता है।
चुप रहो। क्यों? ड्राइंग में कहीं यूज कर सकते हैं इसको, इसकी शेप बना सकते हैं,
yes,
इसको रख के
यूज करके ड्राइंग बना सकते हैं।
कभी इससे पीठ खुजा के देखना होती है कि नहीं होती है, किसने कहा नहीं होती है? हाँ, इससे आप स्क्रू टाइट और आप इसको खोल सकते हैं बोल्ट्स को, अगर आप इसको ढंग से यूज कर रहे हैं तो। कैसी बातें कर रहे हैं कि नहीं इसका तो एक ही यूज है? गौतम, one has to be thinking smart and quick and fine, right? So nonetheless, my role is to assess you as a person, as a personality dimension. That's why I asked all those questions. One last question, just out of curiosity, I'm asking that if you have to build, as a civil engineer, you're overlooking a project where the fencing of a sensitive project, which is very important for the country, is being constructed. What are all the points you're going to take care of?
As a civil engineer, ma'am, if the building is constructed or to be constructed?
Building is already constructed. You are just making the fencing of it. उसका boundary wall बना रहे हैं, fence कर रहे हैं, उसको boundary wall बना रहे हैं।
मैम उसके लिए if the building is very very important to the nation, that then the fencing should be very very strong, and it should be as high that some other person cannot like climb on it and run and other than that it should be stable and the structurally sound, that wind forces and other forces can't like bend it. I will see that, and it can also be electrically automated so that if someone tries to enter it, the guards
और कोई तरीका कि कोई उसको क्लाइंब नहीं कर सके?
मैम क्लाइंब नहीं कर सके उसके लिए कुछ इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक लगा सकते हैं, जैसे
बस एक ही चीज बेचारे को मारोगे, बट और कुछ भी तो कर सकते हैं, जरूरी नहीं है ना कि यही हो। कोई ट्रेडिशनल मेथड्स हैं इंडिया में बाउंड्री वॉल पे कोई नहीं चढ़े उसके लिए करने के?
उसके जो हाइट बढ़ा दो, एक तो हाइट बढ़ा दो, एंड पुराने जमाने में तो मैम वो होता था कि गेट होता था बहुत बड़ा, उसके बाद एक सीज वो लेक सी होती थी और एक प्लेटफॉर्म होता था वहां पर चढ़ने के लिए, तो वो लेकिन वो अभी तो करेंगे नहीं। सो
जुरासिक पार्क देखिए मूवी?
कौन सी मैम? जुरासिक
पार्क?
हाँ नो मैम,
देखी नहीं है?
थोड़ी बहुत देखी है ऐसे बीच तो, लेकिन ऐसे नहीं देखी।
चल छोड़ो बस, चलो अब जसपाल जी की ओर जाइए, वहां से अब आपको क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे।
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, Gautam.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Gautam, since when you are working in IOCL, how much time you spent there?
Sir, I have spent around 25 days, 20-25 days there.
Okay. अभी joining हुई है वहाँ पे आपकी.
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो IOCL अभी किस फील्ड में काम कर रहा है? एक्सट्रैक्शन में काम कर रहा है ऑयल के या सिर्फ सेलिंग के अंदर ही है?
सर कन्वेंशनली तो सेलिंग में मतलब रिफाइन करके सेलिंग में है, बट लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत अब अपस्ट्रीम भी जा रहा है, थोड़ा एक्सट्रैक्शन में भी कर रहे हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि बिल्कुल ही एक्सट्रैक्शन नहीं कर रहे, थोड़ा बहुत कर रहे हैं एक्सट्रैक्शन.
अच्छा, कहाँ पे इंडिया में ऑयल के फील्ड्स हैं हमारे पास?
एक तो गुजरात साइड में है.
Okay.
और एक आई थिंक इट इज इन असम साइड में, आई थिंक असम.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me something about self purification of streams?
Yes, self purification is basically the ability of the stream to purify itself without requiring any other external help. That is a self purification stream. It happens because of the sedimentation, self sedimentation, oxidation, and filtration. There's another term, I forgot it, that is like self purification, verifying the sewage, treated sewage with the help of without any external help.
तो इसमें अगर हमने ऑयल डिस्पोज कर रखा है तो वो भी ट्रीट हो जाती है?
ऑयल डिस्पोज कर रखा है तो सर इट बहुत ज्यादा टाइम एंड स्पेस देना पड़ेगा, like kilometers, hundreds of kilometers it will have to be given. वैसे तो सर बहुत ज्यादा अगर एफ्लुएंट में ऑयल है तब तो नहीं हो पाएगा, मतलब ऑयल नहीं हो पाएगा. आई थिंक अगर थोड़ा बहुत लाइट अगर हार्मफुल है तब हो सकता है, लाइट है.
अच्छा, लाइट इन टर्म्स ऑफ डेंसिटी और इन टर्म्स ऑफ इफेक्ट?
लाइट इन टर्म्स ऑफ इट्स concentration by any concentration.
Okay. Can you tell me the methods which are available for treatment of sewage, both in rural and in urban conditions?
In rural conditions, there are oxidation ponds that is used that directly, and for small areas, septic tank are used. For small, very small, like around 20 to 30 for a colony, and for urban, proper sewage treatment plant, because the water is very huge, demand is very huge, so a proper sewage treatment plant will be used, combining of all the biological and treatment and primary treatments.
Okay. क्या होते हैं primary treatment, क्या होते हैं secondary treatment, क्या होते हैं?
Sir, primary treatments may basically we do purification by sedimentation करते हैं and filtration करते हैं, so that जो आगे जाके बायोलॉजिकल में मतलब ऑक्सीजन हम ऑर्गेनिक ट्रीटमेंट नहीं, मतलब we don't try to reduce the organic content, we just try to filter out the small, like large size particles, and in biological treatment we do the decomposition with the help of ASP and all things. And secondary
what is this ASP? ASP क्या है?
So ASP, activated sludge process. It is a biological process. Yes.
What do we do in this ASP? होता क्या है?
In ASP basically जो treatment होता है वो जो sludge produce होता है, it is an activated sludge in activated form, and it is being transferred again to ASP tank with the help of aeration. Recycling is done, and and the product from ASP is sent to secondary treatment plant. So here sludge is in activated form and biologically treatment is done.
Okay. Have you heard about MBBR technique?
Sir, मतलब knowledge नहीं इसके बारे में, knowledge नहीं.
Okay. Over to you, Bhattacharya sir.
Thank you, Dr. Singh. Now, Gautam will be placed in the waiting room for some time for our internal discussion. Then he will be brought back for the feedback. So
Sir,
yes,
एक
Chi,
क्वेश्चन
please.
पूछ लूं?
Yeah, please.
Gautam, who is your director HR?
Something some Malhotra came. It is a very tough name.
बेचारे रंजन महापात्रा सिर कूट रहे होंगे.
He will not be. I think he has just joined. I
Ranjan,
don't think he is doing any
it is
regular. He's
Ranjan
not
Kumar
regularly
Mohapatra.
attending.
Ranjan Mahapatra, yeah.
Ranjan Kumar
May not be
Mohapatra.
attending also. He is.
Yeah.
Okay, Gautam, will yes, Jija, place him in the waiting room, please.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Gautam, I'm sending a form in the chat box. Please fill that feedback form, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
This meeting is being recorded.
Yes, sir. Gautam has joined.
there.
Gautam,
Yes,
are you there? Gautam,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Switch on your video camera.
Sir, it is switched on.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Gautam, you please tell us your impression about the mocks. I mean, how do you feel about the mocks, today's mocks?
Sir, I feel that it was okay, but it could have been better. I think it was average. I think it was average.
Yes, I suppose you are quite this thing. Gautam, only thing the panel, of course, panel thinks that you are quite a good candidate. In fact, you are already in IOC. It's a very, very prestigious thing because I'm from that sector. I'm actually from the oil and gas sector, so I know how good the IOC master is. And they're very, very coveted things. We have got in the IOC, so and we also do MTech. So obviously, everybody knows that you are a very good candidate. There is no doubt. Professionally very good. Only thing is, थोड़ी सी आपकी body language जो है ना, थोड़ी सी gives an impression that you are really not there. I mean, you are a little reluctant to answer questions because that positivity जो है ना, all the entire period. So that's as my kind of a suggestion to improve, because you have to a long way. I mean, sometime you'll get maybe schedule is not really out, so you get a lot of time. तो सबसे पहले तो along with the technical knowledge थोड़ी सी आपकी कमी है that you understand. तो उस पे आपने environmental anything about environment बहुत सारे हम पूछ सकते थे about environment, energy वगैरह पूछ सकते थे. वो simply clapped up. आप तो then we just deviated. Energy is something you can expect. Energy security, energy thing, because you are in the energy sector, fossil fuel versus non-conventional, kitna import, kitna ye, then this thing now IOC also, as you say, very along with ONGC and Oil India, they're also slowly going into the exploration and production side, exploration and production. So वो थोड़ी सी पूछ सकते. IOC also is into non-conventional initiative. तो वो भी थोड़ा आप थोड़ा देख लीजिएगा. अभी IOC के बारे में थोड़ा questions आ सकता है because it's a very reputed company, the leading company. The downstream में ये the leading, the most this thing. Upstream में ONGC, downstream में IOC, the main government companies, no. तो ये सब आपके थोड़ी सी energy के बारे में तो आप backward forward, environment backward forward. These are expected questions. आपको जैसे आपका background depth देखेगा कोई. Secondly, the थोड़ी सी body language में थोड़ी सी positivity लाइए. थोड़ा I'm not saying you keep on smiling or something, because ऐसे थोड़ी सी लग रहा है कि you are not really there. I mean, you are not really interested. आपको खींच के किसी के आपको बिठा दिया.
No, sir, ऐसा नहीं है.
तो ना नहीं है. तो body में ऐसे कुछ थोड़ा से positivity, because ये जैसे सबका फील है हम लोगों का. तो आज today you are not really, तो थोड़ा सा confidence आपने first है, mock है, इसी वजह से भी हो सकता है. And about these developmental challenges, आप गुड़गांव से है, गुड़गांव NCR is all these things, development challenges. But engineering, pollution, water pollution है, थोड़ा सा innovative तो think to create. काफी सारे stubble burning वगैरह ये सब expected question है. आसपास तो ये जा रही दिल्ली गैस से गुड़गांव से, तो ये सब चीजें तो थोड़ा इसको बस किसी से बात कर लीजिए. You have some little group etc. So many things you can discuss yourself, bounce ideas. तो ये थोड़ी सी आपका clarity और भी अच्छी हो जाएगी along with the reading newspapers. और ये करिए. और you want to ask us anything?
Sir, सर थोड़ा जैसे कोई क्वेश्चन का अगर आंसर ढंग से नहीं आता या फिर हाफ आता है, तो उसको टैकल कैसे करते हैं?
नो, जैसे आपने वेरी ऑनेस्ट एवरीथिंग दी बोर्ड के सामने ऑनेस्टली किया सर, इसमें मुझे I only approve this. Can I, sir, attempt? Can I think, or can I give me a time, sir? Can I take some few minutes? Something like that. Very
Educated, yes.
honestly, can I take some few minutes, sir? They will always say yes, go ahead. और सपोज आप आता है सर मुझे सिर्फ इतना आता है सर, आई ओनली नो पार्ट ऑफ द आंसर, कैन आई अटेम्प्ट? यस, then they know कि you are honestly saying. Honesty, you always know that the interview board is exceedingly experienced and they are technically so sound because they have really done their entire 40 years, 40 plus years they have done in this life. So they know technology like backwards, what you can never match them. So your strength is your strength. So whatever you know, very honestly, एक दो नहीं बोल सकते, and really doesn't go against you. They say every attitude is the highest technical service. So they, along with your technical knowledge, which is paramount, main, but they will also see your attitude. Yes, you are, how honest you are, how forthcoming you are, how enthusiastic you are. ये सब चीजें भी दिखा जाता है. UPSC always see that. तो ये सब चीजें थोड़ी सी ये लाइए और don't honestly कहिए सर इतना ही आता है, can I attempt? They say yes. Then they know where you stand, where. So they will change. Suppose you are not knowing something, they will change. Like I change energy, you don't know. I would have so many energy questions on that. अगर एक देते तो immediately I would have raised the level of this question. But आप नहीं जानते, so they will change it. But of course, everything you cannot say I don't know. That is not so. That's why yes, are related to expected है. Because 20-25% non-technical भी आएगा आपका. 70-75 तो आपका आएगा technical. Your subject. That you must be, because it's a technical service. It's not a general kind of a Indian civil service or a civil servant and all. It's not. It's technical. तो ये सब थोड़ी सी आपको उसमें कोई उसमें deficiency नहीं रहना. Otherwise, you are a good candidate. You will make it. I mean, a little more, थोड़ा सा practice कर ले. ठीक है, तो I suppose you log out. All our good wishes, entire panel sends their good wishes to you. You'll make it. Have that confidence. Go with a positive mindset. थोड़ा smiling, थोड़ा तो जितना possible हो सके. Don't be artificial smiling. So a little pleasant and body language, थोड़ा cooperative. You are a young boy, but 25 साल just हुआ होगा. Maybe you are just young. Everybody wants a young boy to behave like a young boy. You're an officer, but you're a boy, young boy. Or us, you are just a boy. Yes, and they are all sympathetic. Don't be under the आपको ऐसे पकड़ने के लिए बैठे. They are all, they are nothing against you. They are just calm, enthusiastic, cheerful man, cheerful boy. They always support you. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
चलो भाई, thank you very much. All the best. Good wishes. You will make it.
Thank you, sir. Sir, what about my marks? Sir, will it be known or?
Yeah, around 55-56% you have. You will today 55, you can say.
Okay,
Not
sir.
more than.
Okay, sir.
They will send also. Unacademy will send you the video recording and all that. They will also send.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
But today, you could have done much better. You will do much better. There's no doubt you will do much better. We need to practice.
Yes, sir. I was little unprepared because of my timings and all.
I will definitely much better. So this is the base. You will not go down below, but just improve. You should be aiming for 65. Why not 70%? You are capable. Okay.
Thank you.
You will do it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.